I remember the first time I tried to speak English, it felt like climbing a mountain.
I felt the same. Every word seemed heavy until practice made it lighter.
I started with simple greetings, repeating them until they felt natural.
I practiced with songs, humming along until the lyrics became familiar.
Reading children's books helped me because the sentences were short and clear.
I found comic books useful since the pictures guided the meaning of the words.
Watching cartoons gave me a playful way to hear pronunciation.
Listening to radio shows trained my ears to catch different accents.
I joined a small study group where we encouraged each other to speak.
I joined online forums where strangers corrected my sentences kindly.
Writing a diary in English made me notice my mistakes.
Sending emails in English at work forced me to improve quickly.
I copied phrases from movies and tried them in daily life.
I memorized dialogues from plays and rehearsed them alone.
My teacher told me to think in English instead of translating.
My mentor advised me to dream in English to strengthen imagination.
I practiced tongue twisters to make my pronunciation sharper.
I practiced reading poetry aloud to feel the rhythm of the language.
I used flashcards to remember new vocabulary every day.
I used sticky notes around my room to remind myself of words.
I spoke with tourists whenever I had the chance.
I spoke with colleagues from abroad during meetings.
I listened carefully to English songs and wrote down the lyrics.
I listened to podcasts and repeated sentences like an echo.
I joined debates at school even though I was nervous.
I joined drama clubs where speaking English was part of the performance.
I practiced pronunciation by recording my own voice.
I practiced by shadowing native speakers in videos.
I learned grammar rules by writing short stories.
I learned grammar by correcting my own essays again and again.
I asked friends to point out my mistakes kindly.
I asked teachers to give me extra exercises for practice.
I watched interviews of famous people to hear natural speech.
I watched documentaries to learn formal expressions.
I played word games that made learning fun.
I played vocabulary quizzes to challenge myself.
I joined language exchange programs to meet learners from other countries.
I joined chat rooms where people practiced English together.
I read newspapers to understand current events in English.
I read magazines to learn casual expressions.
I practiced storytelling with my younger siblings.
I practiced giving presentations at work.
I used mobile apps that corrected my pronunciation.
I used online dictionaries to check meanings instantly.
I repeated phrases from teachers until they became habits.
I repeated sentences from books until they felt natural.
I tried to speak English even when I made mistakes.
I tried to write English even when my grammar was weak.
I joined competitions that required English speeches.
I joined workshops that focused on English writing.
I learned idioms by listening to conversations.
I learned slang by talking with friends online.
I practiced English while cooking by naming ingredients.
I practiced English while traveling by reading signs aloud.
I improved by reading aloud every morning.
I improved by listening to bedtime stories in English.
I asked myself questions in English during the day.
I answered those questions in English to keep the flow.
I practiced with role plays in class.
I practiced with dialogues from movies.
I learned through mistakes that became lessons.
I learned through corrections that became improvements.
I enjoyed writing poems in English.
I enjoyed composing short essays in English.
I practiced English while shopping by reading product labels.
I practiced English while traveling by asking directions.
I joined online video calls with learners worldwide.
I joined webinars where English was the main language.
I used English subtitles to understand movies better.
I used English captions to follow songs closely.
I practiced English by teaching younger students.
I practiced English by mentoring juniors at work.
I improved by reading novels slowly but carefully.
I improved by reading biographies of inspiring people.
I practiced English while writing letters to friends.
I practiced English while drafting reports for work.
I learned by repeating dialogues from favorite shows.
I learned by imitating speeches from leaders.
I practiced English while playing board games.
I practiced English while solving puzzles.
I improved by listening to English news daily.
I improved by watching English talk shows.
I practiced English while describing pictures.
I practiced English while narrating events.
I learned by translating my thoughts into English.
I learned by expressing emotions in English.
I practiced English while writing captions for photos.
I practiced English while commenting on posts online.
I improved by reading fairy tales.
I improved by reading adventure stories.
I practiced English while singing karaoke.
I practiced English while reciting speeches.
I learned by asking questions in English classes.
I learned by answering questions in English discussions.
I practiced English while describing my daily routine.
I practiced English while explaining my hobbies.
I improved by reading travel guides.
I improved by reading science articles.
I practiced English while writing shopping lists.
I practiced English while planning schedules.
I learned by listening to bedtime stories.
I learned by listening to motivational talks.
I practiced English while chatting with classmates.
I practiced English while messaging colleagues.
I improved by reading inspirational quotes.
I improved by reading historical speeches.
I practiced English while describing dreams.
I practiced English while narrating memories.
I learned by repeating classroom dialogues.
I learned by rehearsing workplace conversations.
I practiced English while writing recipes.
I practiced English while explaining experiments.
I improved by reading short stories.
I improved by reading long novels.
I practiced English while describing weather.
I practiced English while explaining seasons.